Ads are created by the destination within the admin mode and can either be used to monetize the platform by charging local vendors to run ads within the content feed, or the destination may use the ads to promote things like events or other content pertinent to the user. Ads are interstitially displayed amongst the list views, and ad frequency display can be determined by the administrator. To create an ad, the destination needs to log into admin mode within the widget. Please reach out to your Visit Widget account manager if your destination needs to add additional user profiles. Once logged in as admin, the Create button appears to the right of the main menu. Click the Create button. Within Create, the administrator is presented with 4 options: create a new event, create a new place, create a new tour, and create a new ad. In this example, select Create a New Ad and enter the title for the ad as well as a brief description. It is important to note that the ad title should be friendly since it will be displayed on the mobile app. It is also important that the ad title is unique since it is what the destination will use to track analytics associated with the ad. The administrator will want to select a cover image for the ad. The ideal dimensions are 960 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. Custom dimensions, however, are available if the destination has a preference that differs from the recommended settings. The next step is to specify the date range for the ad. The start date should be set to the day the ad is set to begin running. The end date can either be left blank so the ad runs indefinitely, or an end date can be chosen so the ad ends on a predetermined date. Next, the admin will want to specify a click-through URL so the user can learn more about the ad. Categories can also be assigned to the ad so that the ad is only featured within content related to the categories specified by the user. If the ad should be shown to all users, select all of the categories. The final step is to click the Create button, which will set the ad live on the platform at the date specified in the creation process. Admins can review their live ads by refreshing the widget and scrolling through the content feed. Ads can also be viewed by clicking on the admin username and selecting View Ads. Within this view, all active or scheduled ads will appear, and the admin can edit the sequence of the ads by dragging and dropping the ads in the preferred order. Ads can be edited to make any necessary adjustments like updating the image, the specified date range, the click-through URL, or the assigned categories. For more Visit Widget tips and tricks, visit our website at visitwidget.com and follow us on YouTube.